Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to do the basic setting for this watch, Casio WS-1800. And if you want to know more about this watch, you can check our review. I will put the link in the description. Okay, first, let's make sure we are in the timekeeping mode. It should look like this: day, month, date, and then hour, minute, second. But if not, then you can press the mode button several times until you get to that view. This one, okay? And then next, press the adjust button on the top left and hold like this until the second is flashing or blinking. And we can start by resetting the second. You can use the search button. If the second is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute. But if it is 29 or less like this one, it will become 0 without additional minute. Okay, press the mode button, and now is the setting for the daylight saving. If you want to on or off the daylight saving, you can use the search button, on or off, okay? And then press the mode button, and now is for the city. You can use the light button to move to the west and the search button to move to the east. So because my city is the same time zone as this one, PKK, so I will use that one. Okay, now press the mode button and we are moving to the hour. You can use the light and search button. The light button will decrease and the search button will increase the number. Okay, now press the mode button and this is the minute. Also the same thing with these two buttons. The light will decrease and the search button will increase. Okay, press the mode button and now is the year. You can also use these two buttons. Light button will decrease and search button will increase. Okay, and then press the mode button and now is the month. Also the same thing with these two buttons. And then press the mode again and now is the date. Also the same thing. And press again the mode button and now back to the setting of the second. And after that you can press the adjust button and done. We're back to the time mode. And for the day of the week, it will be calculated by the watch itself. And just make sure that you have set the date correctly, including the year using Gregorian or Western calendar. One more thing, you can change the time format using the lower right button from the timekeeping mode like this. So this one is the 12-hour format and this one is the 24-hour format. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching. I will also make the more detailed tutorial, so don't forget to click like, subscribe, and see you again in the next video. Have a great day.